Many people are so tired after work and commuting back home. We believe they want a place to sit and relax. What a space that has a relaxing environment. Can we have such a calm area in our house? Hi everyone. Today, we have 3 tips for a relaxing home. Let's see what we can do to bring your home calmer and relax. Tips number 1: Candlelight. Some people can create a relaxing atmosphere just by closing their eyes and drifting away. If you're not this kind of person, you might consider incorporating certain lights for relaxation. In the morning or evening, you may choose a nice place in your home with a comfortable seat and then light your candles. When in the bath, instead of reading books, light candles and relax. Tips number 2: Relaxing scents. Using scented candles in the home is simple, but it is an effective way of influencing the mood of the room and creating a peaceful space and harmonious environment. You may place the diffuser in a high-traffic area, where the fragrance will disperse throughout the room with air circulation. Another great spot is inside the room near the door to pick up the scent as you enter the room. Tips number 3: Music. Music can have a profound effect on both the emotions and the body. A slower tempo can quiet your mind and relax your muscles, making you feel soothed while releasing the day's stress. Relaxing piano music you can listen to in the background during your day, as a soundtrack during your me time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy today's tips. Please leave comments below and share if you try tips that change your mood better after a tiring day. See you tomorrow and have a good night.